video, we are going to explore how to recognize call extension filters and our conversions. Sometimes you might have set up several conversions in your account, like WhatsApp call form, and now you want to identify the number of each of them separately in your charts. Similarly, your account might have call extensions, and you want to include the number of your call extensions in, your charts. Before we proceed to create these types of charts and configure their filters, it's necessary to mention that we need to learn a few small tips together in the panel. The first tip is for you to understand each of your keywords. From your groups and campaigns have brought you some call extensions. You just need to come to the level. Now the level you have in mind currently, I have the keyword level in mind. I click on the segment click type MAME. As soon as I click on the segment click type, it categorizes the keyword into 3 for me. What? Headline, mobile click, and call. And site link. It actually tells me how many times this keyword has been clicked on the headline, or how many times it has been clicked on the site link when it was fired, right? Well, the second row I see here is mobile, clicks to call. It actually tells me that the keyword learning metaverse has had no call extensions for me during this time period. Well, in this report, I have a report, a kind of all-time report, to see which of these keywords have had call extensions for me. For example, I found this one keyword that has had a call extension for me, how to enter the metaverse. Mobile click to call has had one call extension for me. Why do we look at mobile click to call? Well, because we add call extensions using a script on the panel. And we don't naturally set this call on the account. Our call extension panel recognizes it as a type of click, and the filter considered for that click is mobile clicks to call. So we understood that if we wanted to create a chart to display the number of our call extensions, our metric should be clicks. We should apply the click type filter and then select mobile clicks to call in the video that we will watch together. Next, we will create charts using this metric and this filter. But before that, I mentioned at the beginning of the video that if you have set up multiple conversions on your account and want to see the number of each conversion separately in your charts, you need to apply a filter. Let's learn that filter together and see where it comes from. You have the option to count the conversions you have set on your account, each as a separate column. This means if you have set a final purchase on your account, you can have a column next to your other columns that shows that conversion for each keyword separately. Let's go see exactly what I mean. We select a new column, click on Modify Columns, and then click on Custom Columns. A page opens for us where we can actually create a series of customized columns for ourselves. Now we want to create customized conversion columns. I will name this custom column Conversion. In these sections, you can write formulas. What I write is conversion. I select conversion. When I select my conversion here, several tabs appear on the right side of the panel for me. Data range comes and asks what time frame you want to have the data of this conversion, which right now I don't care about this second language that comes to me. It's the conversion action. The conversion action actually specifies for me what conversions I have exactly set on the account, and now it shows me the list. It asks, when you have now set the conversion, which one of these specifically defined conversions do you want to see? I say I want to see the call, see my call and form, and in the prompt I select call and form. So here I understood that if I wanted to see the number of conversions and break them down by the items I defined on the account, I bring the custom column into this section, type the conversion. And once again, we go from the beginning, I type the conversion. The filters it brings up for me here are conversion actions. In fact, the conversion action is the filter I need to apply to the conversion so that I can see the conversions broken down. I come and select it. Now, after the conversion action, there was another option called conversion source, and now the other items that ask from which source you have set this conversion on the account. Sometimes you have imported your conversions from your Google Analytics to the account, and they say, for example, just go to that one. Show me the conversions whose source was Google Analytics. Or for example, I say, bring me those conversions that were from, for instance, the iOS app install section, or were imported from Click. It depends on the individual themselves, which sources they have set the conversion on the account. Well, I selected call and form, wrote its name, and clicked save. I'm waiting for it to save as well. Now, once it's saved in this column, the last metric I see here is the call form conversion. I click apply, and in the columns, when I want to see my last column, exactly here, I see that on my account, I think 5 or 6 conversions were set, but I only got call and form. And now I'm seeing what the metaverse is in simple terms. One conversion was recorded for me, and that one conversion was from call or form. Now here I have selected 2 metrics. I could have chosen one metric just selecting my call. This is not a call extension. This is the call button that we have on our website. You use Tag Manager to perform its tracking. Now, here you see 2 options. Either come and use Analytics. Consider it as a bridge between your image and Tag Manager. Pass your Tag Manager data to Analytics, and from there pass it to Google Ads. Or directly pass your data from Tag Manager to Google Ads. So in this video, we identify 2 important filters to visualize and display our conversions in a graphical format. In the next video, we will go and create all the charts we built together in the previous video regarding conversions, so we can make our analysis more professional and precise. Alongside all the charts, we will also view and visualize the call extension and conversions that are set from the account